welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, you guys, and I really wanted to just, casually share a little life update with you guys, talking about all the things that we are doing and things that we're excited about. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna first start with my latest obsession, which is making beautiful handmade polymer clay jewelry. I came across some images on Pinterest, you guys. Y'all know I've been making jewelry for a long time, but these were just like, oh my gosh, they made me so freaking happy. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, these pieces are just amazing. So naturally that made me want to just try my hand at it, and wow. Naturally that made me just want to try my own hand at it. And when I first started, you guys, I was terrible. So you guys, after I saw these earrings, it turns out that the earrings are actually like made and designed using completely clay. I thought they were painted at first, but they weren't. So I tried my hand at it and I got so good, you guys. And I love the process. I love the creative process, and so I really just dived in, you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys a little snippet of what your girl's been working on. Right, you guys, so I'm very proud of those pieces. So go over to bohemianafro.com and check out my newest collections of polymer clay jewelry. It's so bomb, so dope. Check it out, support your girl. Yes, all right, moving on. So you guys, I'm gonna jump right into health. I was kind of experiencing like chronic fatigue. I had these like Bose lines in my nails, like my thumbnail, like it's where it's like a really deep kind of indentation, and I was like, what is this about? So naturally that started making me think maybe I was like missing some vital nutrients or something. So I went ahead and I tried some fish oil, and I think I've definitely felt like an improvement in my mood. So I was using like the Nordic Naturals fish oil. I think it's the cod liver one. And then one of the biggest things, you guys, I just recently did was I eliminated nightshades, which was like literally all of my favorite foods included nightshades. I was eating nightshades every day, you guys. Now I'm not saying that everybody needs to eliminate nightshades. I just think for me they were problematic, so I eliminated them, and all of a sudden, you guys, I have energy. Hence why I've been able to start a completely new collection of jewelry and really just give it my all. So I really have felt the difference. I think nightshades can be problematic for some people. Some people can maybe be sensitive. Nightshades are like potatoes, tomatoes, all peppers except black pepper, and eggplant. And like, y'all, it was hard. It was one of the hardest things that I've had to do because, I thought going gluten-free was hard, but nightshades, oh my gosh, y'all. So yes, I eliminated nightshades, and y'all, I saw an improvement. And I'm gonna do a more in-depth video on that whole experience. Like what did I replace the nightshades with? But I feel great. Also, one other thing that I haven't had to worry about since eliminating nightshades was my iron levels. Like, it's like my iron levels got so much better after eliminating nightshades. So I just thought that was great. So I'm thinking maybe the nightshades were causing like inflammation, and then because of that I wasn't able to absorb nutrients right. But it's like, I'm telling y'all, my chronic fatigue is gone, my low iron, well, I would have to go get my blood tested, but I feel great, you guys. I've been doing stuff. Yep. So anyway, I don't get as tired either, like walking upstairs and all that, so I'm really grateful. Where's my son? Right, you guys, another thing that I wanted to share is that we completed four children books, you guys. Y'all, we just be creating stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm really excited about that. So definitely go check all the books. All of the books that we created are on Amazon, so you could definitely go and purchase them. It's great just for young black boys, young black girls to see characters that look like them, that are the main characters in the children's books. We got paperback, hardback, and we got Kindle. So yeah, y'all, we were busy. Like, it took us probably like about 3.5 years or more to complete all of the books. But I mean, it's great that we have, we got a series, y'all. All right, so moving on to my hair. So you guys, I've just recently decided to just start doing more, trying more things with my hair. My hair's a little longer now, so I can kind of, you know, style it up a little bit, have fun. I find that I can have more fun when my hair is like in a twist out, so that's kind of what I've been doing, is just trying new styles, you know, twisting it. It don't even take a long time, so I finally just made this choice to stop being such a lazy natural and just like really switch it up, have a little more fun, and yeah, just play, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta have fun with your hair. So but yeah, as far as like the products I'm using, you guys already know Kinky Curly is like my staple. The tea tree tingle products at Trader Joe's. I will need to go out and get like a cream based twisting product, because my hair, it'd be so flaky using the products, the same products that you would use for curl definition on a twist out. But yeah, you guys, so that is kind of like, you know, a little mini life update. I do plan on making more pieces and like just evolving my skill level, just making some dope statement earrings. I thought I had some on. Yeah, I'm slipping. But yeah, you guys, I plan to make more dope, beautiful pieces, and I will see you guys in the next video. That's our life update. We are out here, you know, just doing as much as we can to create the life that we want for us and our family. So yes, I hope you guys are all well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Share in the comment section below what you guys been up to, how y'all living, what y'all goals, what y'all creating. All right, much love, you guys.